Today, I'll be cleaning my iPad Air 5th generation. So first we have to power it off, and let's start cleaning. I tore up a lot of dirt off this iPad, but afterwards, it looks very good. Now time for the screen. This was not as visibly dirty, but I still cleaned it. I've been getting these little scratches on the top of my iPad from where the Apple Pencil's been sitting. If you know what that's from, comment in the comment section below. Now moving on to the sides, and it looks very clean now. Now moving on to the Apple Pencil. This has also got scratches from the magnets. Now time to turn the iPad back on. Thanks for watching.